When Dallas homeowners think about boosting resale value, they often focus on kitchen remodels, updated bathrooms, or new flooring. But one upgrade consistently delivers an impressive return on investment: modern replacement doors. Whether it's a stylish new entry door or an upgraded patio door, replacing outdated doors can dramatically improve both the look and performance of a home, making it far more appealing to today's buyers. If you're planning to sell your Dallas home in the future or simply want to increase its value, here's how modern replacement doors can make a meaningful impact. First impressions matter, and entry doors set the tone. Prospective buyers form an opinion about your home within seconds of walking up to the front door. A worn, faded, or outdated entry door can instantly make the home feel older, less cared for, or even less secure. On the other hand, a modern replacement door enhances curb appeal, signals that the home has been well maintained, creates a welcoming, polished entrance, makes your home stand out in a competitive Dallas market. Homes in neighborhoods like Lakewood, Preston Hollow, or Oak Cliff often feature a mix of architectural styles, and a new door can seamlessly complement or elevate your home's design. This simple upgrade can significantly boost buyer interest and increase perceived value even before they step inside. Energy efficiency is a high priority for Dallas buyers. With Dallas summers known for intense heat and high humidity, energy efficiency is top of mind for local homeowners and buyers alike. Older doors often allow hot air to infiltrate the home, placing extra strain on the air conditioning system and driving up energy bills. Modern replacement doors are engineered for superior performance with features like insulated cores, multi-layer weather stripping tight, advanced sealing, low-E glass for doors with windows, durable materials that resist warping or air leaks. Buyers appreciate upgrades that lead to lower utility costs, especially in the Texas climate. An energy-efficient door isn't just a home improvement, it's a long-term financial benefit, which makes your home more attractive and valuable on the market. Enhanced security means higher buyer confidence. Safety is a major factor for anyone purchasing a home. Older doors often suffer from weakened frames, outdated locks, or materials that have deteriorated over time. Modern replacement doors come with built-in security enhancements such as reinforced door frames, impact-resistant materials, multi-point locking systems, stronger hinges, and strike plates. These features give Dallas buyers greater peace of mind, adding to the home's desirability and value. A secure home is always easier to sell, and often at a higher price. Reduced maintenance appeals to busy buyers. Today's homebuyers value low maintenance features that minimize future repair costs and upkeep. New replacement doors made from fiberglass, steel, or composite materials resist many of the issues associated with older wooden doors, including fading, rotting, warping, cracking. Frequent repainting for buyers. This means less hassle, fewer expenses, and more confidence in the home's longevity. Low-maintenance upgrades allow you to market your home as move-in ready, a major selling point in Dallas's fast-moving real estate market. Increased home value and stronger ROI. According to national remodeling reports, replacement entry doors consistently rank among the top home improvements for return on investment, often yielding a significant percentage of the project cost back in resale value. In Dallas specifically, where curb appeal is incredibly important and housing competition is strong, a modern door can attract more interested buyers, help your home sell faster, increase your listing price, strengthen your negotiating power. Combined with improved aesthetics, energy savings, and enhanced security, replacement doors deliver long-term value whether you sell your home soon or plan to enjoy the upgrades for years. Final thoughts. A modern replacement door may seem like a small upgrade, but its impact on your Dallas home's resale value is substantial. From boosting curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to enhancing security and reducing maintenance, new doors offer benefits that buyers notice immediately. For Dallas homeowners who want smart, value-boosting improvements, upgrading to modern entry or patio doors is a simple, high-return investment that pays off in both comfort and long-term property value.